Welcome back to my channel Mega Auto World. Today we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome, a creation that redefines luxury travel and transforms the very idea of mobility into a moving palace. This motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is an expression of Cadillac's legacy of elegance and innovation, now elevated into a grand lifestyle statement on wheels. As the doors open, what greets you is not the usual RV interior, but an atmosphere of sophistication that rivals the grandest penthouses. From the very first glance, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome commands attention with its bold yet fluid design, the sweeping aerodynamic curves, the iconic Cadillac crest glowing proudly at the front, and a presence that makes it feel like the king of the road. It stretches with grace, its exterior finished in a palette of refined, shimmering metallic tones, accented by chrome lines that sparkle under the sun. The futuristic LED headlights, integrated seamlessly with the bodywork, and the sculpted grille make the front face unforgettable, while the rear boasts sleek taillights that wrap around with modern artistry. This is not just transportation, it is art in motion. Step inside, and you're immediately immersed in Cadillac's signature attention to detail. The interior is a masterwork of craftsmanship, where every surface speaks the language of luxury. Imagine brushed aluminum accents meeting hand-stitched leather, polished wood trims blending with soft ambient lighting that changes with your mood. Plush reclining seats upholstered in the finest materials, with massage and climate functions, create a feeling of absolute serenity. The panoramic glass ceiling stretches across the living area, allowing natural light to flood in during the day and revealing the stars at night, creating a dreamlike travel experience. The lounge area flows effortlessly into the dining space, where a sleek expandable table and bespoke seating invite both family dinners and quiet evenings of elegance. The technology inside the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome is nothing short of groundbreaking. A massive curved OLED display serves as the control hub for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle management, with Cadillac's AI-driven assistant responding instantly to voice commands. A state-of-the-art surround sound system transforms the motorhome into a private concert hall, while hidden wireless charging stations and smart storage spaces ensure that convenience is never sacrificed for style. The lighting system offers customizable settings, from warm golden hues for relaxation to vibrant tones for entertainment. Every function is designed not just for use, but for a seamless, intuitive experience. The kitchen area redefines what cooking on the road means, featuring induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and even a compact wine cooler, all integrated with minimalist finesse. Beyond the kitchen lies the master bedroom, where Cadillac's philosophy of comfort culminates. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, wrapped in premium fabrics, promises a night's rest beyond imagination. The walls are adorned with subtle accents, while a private entertainment screen and ambient lighting complete the sanctuary. The bathroom continues the story of luxury, with rainfall showers, marble-style surfaces, and smart temperature controls that make every shower feel like a spa experience. When it comes to performance, Cadillac ensures that this motorhome is more than a pretty face. Beneath the sculpted body lies a powerful hybrid powertrain designed for smooth, efficient cruising while delivering the strength needed for long journeys. Adaptive suspension guarantees that the ride feels as soft as silk on highways yet confident and stable on winding roads. Advanced driver assist systems bring peace of mind, with autonomous driving capabilities that allow the vehicle to handle stretches of road with minimal input, giving passengers the freedom to enjoy the journey. Safety, as always with Cadillac, is paramount, with a suite of sensors and AI monitoring the environment constantly. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome also embraces sustainability. With solar panels discreetly integrated into the roof, it can harness energy directly from the sun to power essential systems, reducing reliance on traditional fuel sources. Cadillac has designed this masterpiece with a vision for the future, where luxury and responsibility coexist in harmony. The storage capacity is vast yet intelligently hidden, with compartments that maximize space without compromising the aesthetic. Traveling in this motorhome is an experience unlike any other. Whether parked on the coast with waves crashing in the distance, or set against the backdrop of snow-capped mountains, the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome feels perfectly at home. It offers freedom, but not just the freedom to move, the freedom to live without compromise, to carry the elegance of Cadillac wherever the road leads. Cadillac has taken decades of mastery in crafting automobiles that symbolize status and sophistication and translated it into a motorhome that doesn't just transport you from one place to another, but transforms every mile into a celebration of luxury living. It is bold, it is refined, and it is a vision of what the future of travel should be. With the 2025 Cadillac Motorhome, the journey truly becomes the destination, and the road ahead becomes a canvas for experiences painted in luxury, comfort, and innovation. This is not simply a motorhome. It is Cadillac's promise brought to life. A moving sanctuary where every detail matters, where every moment feels elevated, and where the spirit of adventure is matched only by the embrace of pure indulgence.